And I'm looking here at example 7, and I'm noticing that I've got variables on both sides of my equal signs. I need to select the lowest value. And when I look, negative 14a, that's lower than negative 8a. So it's going to be the one I'm going to drag across. The opposite of negative is positive, so I'm going to add 14a to both sides. On the left-hand side there, minus 14 and plus 14, they're going to undo each other. So we get left with this statement that 50 is equal to 56, and negative 8 plus 14 is positive 6a. All right, so now I've got a in my head. BODMaths is saying there was a, it was multiplied by 6, I then had 56 added to it, and the result was 50. That's what my mind says. Going backwards from that, the first thing I'm going to do is take away 56. After I've done that, I'm going to divide by 6. Let's move this over here. And let's go. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 56 from both sides. They're going to undo each other. It's going to be left with 0. 50 take away 56 is negative 6 equals 6a. Taking away 56. Now I need to divide both sides by 6. Divide by 6. Divide by 6. That's going to undo those 6's. I'm going to left with a, and negative 6 divided by 6 is negative 1 equals a. Therefore, a equals negative 1. I'm just a weird mathematician. I love my unknowns, my variables, to be on the left-hand side when I get to my statement. So here I think a has the value of negative 1. Final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check this. 50 minus 14a, so 50 minus 14a, and on the right hand side it was 56 take away 8a. Alright, so plugging this on my calculator, remember that it was negative 1 for both, so 50 minus 14 times minus 1, that's going to give me a value of 50 minus, that's minus becomes a plus. That's going to be 50 plus 14. It's going to give me a value of 64. All right. When I look at the second one, the two negatives there, negative 8 times negative 1 is positive 8. 56 plus 8, 64. So therefore, a being negative 1 is my correct answer. All right. So just quickly summarizing what we did with those two examples there. We picked the lowest number and we forced it over to the other side of the equal sign by doing its opposite. In example 6, the lowest number was positive 8, so we made it negative 8 as we moved across. Example 7 there, the lowest number was negative 14, so we made it positive as we moved it across.